बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है करणवीर मेहरा के हवाले से। करणवीर मेहरा इज़ born on 28 December 1982 is an Indian actor. Mehra is best known for his roles in the serial Pavitra, Rishta and Hindi film Ragni MMS2. In 2024, he participated in reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi 14 and Big Boss 18 and emerged as the winner of both the seasons. Born 28 December 1982, New Delhi, India, Alama Mater University of Delhi. Occupation actor, years active 2005 to present. Spouses में Divika Mehta, married 2009, divorced 2018. Nidhi Seth, married 2021, divorced 2023. Early life. Karan Mehra was born in Delhi in a Punjabi family on 28 December 1982. Personal life. Mehra married his childhood sweetheart Divika Mehta in 2009 at the age of 26. 9 years later in 2018, they divorced on 21 January 2020. He married actress Nidhi Seth during the COVID-19 pandemic, but the couple separated after 2 years. Career. Television debut early 2005 to 2006. He started his acting career from the youth-based show Remix in 2005, where he get the role of Aditya Sahani, which marked his television debut. In the same year, he played Soham Mehta in the college drama Saath Rahenge Always. In 2007 to 2008, Mehra had been cast in the soap opera Virtu as a wealthy devil may care youngster Vedant racing Hania. He is then went on to score the key role of a winsome aspiring director Karan Mehra in Star One Pari Hu Main opposite Rashmi Desai. He secured his Bollywood debut with the movie Drona. He also seen in the movie Aage Se Right. He was cast in Sony TV Hum Ladkiyan, where he played the love interest of the protagonist Urmila Tiwari, and then came an antagonist character named Karan Rajvansh in Star Plus soap opera Behne in 2010. He played a homosexual male character Harry in a 2010 LGBTQ short film called Amin. He also made a brief appearance in 2011 thriller No One Killed Jiska. In 2013, he got wider recognition for playing the role of Nareen Karmakar in ZTV long-running serial Pavitra Rishta opposite Ankita Ludhani. While the show was in running and when it ended, he snatched a number of roles in Hindi films like The Friend turned antagonist Dr. Rahul in Bloody Ishq and unexpected swear brother-in-law Raj in Mere Dad Ki Murti, and then Inspector Bobby Kabdria in the Kunal Khimu-led Blood Money and the comedy flick Badmashiyan, where he played a central character of a self-proclaimed detective. He also played his role as Maddie in 2014 erotic horror film Ragni MMS2, directed by Bhushan Patal. In 2015, he also slipped in an appearance in ZTV mini-series Rishton Ka Mela opposite Sargun Mehta as Karan Singh Gurjar. Later years and reality show 2017 to present. After playing a court in a bind, TV producer Rajiv Gupta in Sub TV comedy show TV BV or Main in 2017, where he collaborated on screen with Shruti Seth as spouses. Mehra swore to web shows and OTT project cast opposite Swara Baksar as Jayesh in the Vote Geo cinema web series It's Not That Simple in 2018. He also appeared in the Sony live series Heartbreak Hotel as Rohit, while doing a cameo of key character Javeer Khanna in the Z5 action crime thriller Poison 2. Returned to television after he caught the role of a famed journalist Rohit Khanna in the women empowerment comedy show Carry On Alia. Mehra did roles in Sony Sub Ziti Dil Mane वो तो है अलबेला बातें कुछ अनकही सी. Mehra started the year 2024 with a cameo in Sony Entertainment revenge thriller show Pukar Dil Se Dil Tak. In 2024, Mehra participated in the 14th season of Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi and he brought home the trophy of Khatron Ke Khiladi 14. In the same year, he also participated in the 18th season of Big Boss and became the winner of the show. On 26 May 2025, he was announced as the key antagonist in the acclaimed director Omang Kumar-led romance action movie tentatively titled Sila, also starring Harsh Vardhan Ran and Satya Khatib. The film went on floors on 1st July respectively. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।